Transport Minister Darragh O'Brien has vowed that Metrolink will be different and said talks with South Dublin residents have been positive. Mediation is currently underway with a group of residents who lodged a judicial review into the Metrolink project. With the judicial review threatening to cause serious delays to the project, Mr O'Brien said feedback he has received so far was positive and that he hoped that the review would be withdrawn. In an interview with the Irish Independent, Mr O'Brien said come hell or high water, the government would start the Metrolink project. Mr O'Brien said at least 3 consortia are now ready to tender for the contract and added that Metrolink will be an opportunity for the government to prove it can deliver major infrastructure projects that don't turn into the scandals like we saw with the National Children's Hospital. He added that Metrolink will be different, with a new governance framework to be introduced to lead the project. In November, the Oireachtas Transport Committee was told that some 8,000 workers would be needed for the construction of Metrolink. Mr O'Brien added that this did not mean all 8,000 would be needed at once and said he did not envisage an Olympic Park to be needed to house the thousands of additional workers. However, he admitted that accommodation was something that will need to be looked at.